Hey, and welcome to 11 Brook Street in Scugog. I can't wait to show you this house that I've got coming on the market this week. It is a fantastic bungalow, approximately 1,900 square feet, 3 bedrooms, beautiful finishes throughout. I know you're just gonna love it. And it's also on just over half an acre. So you've got so much space. Come on, let's go check it out. Hey there. All right, so today we're gonna check out the inside of this gorgeous house. As I said, we've got a 1,900 square foot bungalow, beautiful finishes throughout. And I mean, we're starting right here in the front foyer, where we've got a double closet here for your coats and things like that. Walking in, we've got a huge open concept area. Brand new hardwood floors. This house had been renovated approximately 11 years ago, so all of the major things have been done at that point in time, and that's when all of this was blown out and we've created an open concept area. Now here in the living room, we've got bright big windows, we've got gas fireplace, nice stone mantle throughout, and overlooking the dining room area here. Again, what you can see is it's so bright and airy throughout this whole space. I just love it. And then come on over here to the kitchen. Actually, this is the bedroom hallway here, which we'll come back to, but just so you know where we're situated. And then we're coming into the kitchen where, again, it's all bright, it's all open. We've got the white cabinetry, it's all been updated. We've got quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. You've even got a gas range here, which I love because I love cooking, as you may or may not know. And then it opens up to a breakfast nook if you want here, maybe a little office area. I mean, the choice is yours. It really just depends what you need the space for, okay? So as I'm coming back here through, we're gonna take a look at the master bedroom, which is right here. We've got a beautiful double door entry, and it's so big inside. Come on, let's check it out. So again, we've got those really nice hardwood floors that come throughout the whole entire house. And we've got a garden door that leads out to a huge deck that goes all across the back of the house. That deck is 12 by 24. So you've got a couple of different exits out of the house that you can go and enjoy maybe your coffee or something like that. In the master here, we've got a king size bed, which you can hardly tell because the room is so big. All right, so we've got a massive walk-in closet here off of the master bedroom. And one of the greatest things about it is there's hookups for your laundry. Now the current owners aren't using their laundry room up here, but you could put your machines up here. It makes it nice and easy, so functional because all of your bedrooms are here on the main floor. Then we've got this awesome bathroom that we're gonna check out. Like really, it's party size in here. We've got a full soaker tub, and I think like that's double wide in here, which is awesome. So we've got a huge shower here. It's massive. That's got to be at least 8 feet long by probably 4 feet wide. We've got a bench in there, some lighting. We've got a rain shower head. So this is definitely a party-sized bathroom. Now we'll go back out through the master bedroom. Now it is cool to mention that at one point this whole end of the house was added on. So the original house wasn't ever this big, but now we have all this extra space, and we also have it in the basement, okay? So we're gonna come back out through here to that nook breakfast area. And I'm back here in the kitchen, and when we came in the house, I pointed to the wing where the bedrooms are. So let's go back there and check out where the other 2 bedrooms are and the 4-piece bathroom here. And then we've got a nice big bedroom here. We've got some wainscoting on the walls, nice and bright. We've got a closet here. Again, those great big windows that add so much light here in the house. And then we've got another bedroom right next door, which we'll go check out as well. Nice, great big space. Got a bed in here. We've got a desk, some built-in beautiful shelving. Got a single closet and extra storage upstairs. So there's no shortage of space in here. Plenty of room for the kids in all of these bedrooms that we have on this house. As you can see, I'm standing right here to the stairwell. This is gonna take us down to the basement. And I mean, I'm happy to show you the basement, but there's really nothing down there to see. No bells and whistles, but I will let you know that it is big. So up here, we've got about 1,900 square feet, and the basement is just as big. We've got high ceilings, bright, it's open, and we've also got a stairwell through the garage, the double car garage that leads to the basement. So that would be perfect if you wanted to finish it off, maybe make it an in-law suite, maybe you want your parents or your kids to live down there. There's great big space down there, okay? A couple of other quick things to mention about the property. We are on just over half an acre. There's only 3 houses on this entire street, so it's super quiet, super close to everything. We've got shopping down the street, we've got kids' school bus pickup is right on the corner here. The whole house was redone about 11 years ago. Most of the windows are 9 years old. So really there's nothing you need to worry about except moving in and enjoying this awesome space here in Port Perry. Again, we're at 11 Brook Street in Port Perry, and hit us up if you want any information on this listing or you want to check it out.